Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Oh, it's a bit light. I wonder what is this. So let's open and see what is this. Have to open it carefully. I cannot open it without cutting it.
No, don't cut it because you might cut the content.
Oh, I thought you were going to send it back, no? So it's okay if I tear the thing?
Yeah, just
Oh, so... Okay, so this it's impossible to not to tear. Okay, so...
it's come all the way from China.
Really?
Ordered it on Amazon.
Oh. What's that? So exciting. What's this?
It's to put on your computer chair arms.
Oh, for the armrest.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. But why for?
That's what they have.
Oh, so they
So
they got two sets. So one pair.
Yeah, so 2 pairs.
2 pairs. Oh, so it's almost like that. So this is foam inside, and there's a zip. So if it's dirty, so it's just easy to remove it
And wash it.
So that is the, what do you call this?
Velcro.
Velcro.
Straps.
This. So
they look quite long. Are they adjustable?
Yeah, and you can put it here, and then put it all the put it like that. Like that. So it doesn't go over this. So this one for mine.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's very nice. Thank you so much, darling. How did you know that there's such a thing like this?
I didn't. I just typed it in on Amazon to see, and that was.
Oh, I didn't ever know there's such a thing like this. Amazing. Because I thought you just put a, what do you call that? A cushion.
Yeah,
So you just do
why
it like this. But now this one...
It doesn't look right. The cushion and it's coming off.
Yeah, so this one, even though it's not a bit longer, it would be nice if it's a bit longer. So, but it's okay. So
make
because
sure you put your arm on the armrest first. See where your arm rests and put it that side.
Because it's just do like this. It's not my wrist anyway. So it's just like that. So it's just for this. So that's good. So because I'm thinking it's the length of the arm. But it's not. So that's like that. So it's comfortable like this. Yeah. Oh, so that's I like the color. Yeah. It's so nice.
And if it goes flat, then you can strap 2 on top of each other, maybe.
No,
just put
fine.
1 on to start off with.
It's too long, so it's fine. So I can.
No, when I say 2, 1 on top of 1 another, if it goes flat.
Like that.
Yeah, but not straight away.
Oh, yeah. No, but it's
only if it goes flat.
Yeah.
Which it probably will.
Eventually. Yeah, because I only use my left one to thing because when I'm on the computer, this one is more in use than the left one.
Because the mouse is on the right hand side.
Yeah. So this is very good. I like it. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
Thank you so much for thinking
useful
things for me. Thank you. This is so useful. I like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
I thought it's like a boxing gloves thing. And I like the
computer
color.
chair,
This is
armrest pads.
yeah. This is my color.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a armrest pad.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, guys. So thank you for watching unboxing this armrest pad. Thank you. See you on my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.